Good morning, noon or night, ladies, gentlemen, and everybody else. Welcome back to the Brilliant Talk Show. My name is DragonSlayer15001.
Why are you putting it all the way over there?
Because it's a good spot for it.
Good spot for you.
No, it's a good spot.
It's a good spot for you. Look at how small my voice is on this.
Okay, get a louder voice.
Okay. Louder voice it is.
Oh, can you shut the door real quick, though?
Your bedroom.
I wasn't the last to come in the door. Well, anyway, my name is DragonSlayer15001.
I'm Curse of Inos.
Okay, the joke is neither, Kobe.
That's the joke. That's the joke. Neither.
Neither. Like, They're a human.
Hey, that's private information. Who told you I was a human?
Today we're going to talk about my game that I'm making right now as we speak.
That's crazy. I definitely can't see it on the other screen.
Fortress Necro. Here's Godot. Godot.
Damn. Bonkers.
So we're going to talk about the game while I develop the game. You've already watched the VODs. So you think you're up to date, but look at this. Oh, I broke it.
But look at this. I broke it. Was it broken before? That's new.
Check this out.
There we go.
Yoink all the code and turn it
Into a penguin game.
Who even... That's probably from one of the...
One of
Not
them.
inscription...
Wrong. Oh, wrong button. Right.
Wrong button, yep.
It took me a second.
it wasn't the wrong button. I just needed
code.
to... Yeah. So, I can move. I can bump into walls. You might notice that this is a different room.
I can do that in real life. I do it too often.
You might notice that this is a different room.
Can you pick up stuff?
Not currently. But the inventory kind of functions.
Wait. Oh, so it's while staying.
Yeah.
But wait, you picked it up. It just doesn't go into the inventory.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because it's broken.
Okay.
But check this out. I exit the room. New room.
Wait, is that a new room?
It is a new room.
Okay, go back.
What?
Wait, go into a new room.
I can't go back. I haven't done that yet.
Go into a...
SSD. Is this full? You should make a mini map?
Yes, a mini map.
I completely forgot about that.
Make it like Isaac style.
Yeah.
Wait, what's SSD?
Below inventory?
Yeah.
That's where chest is gonna be. You know? When you open a chest to get items.
Go put it at the...
Anyway, every time I exit the room, I enter in a new room.
Squash the
Even
stuff
if
at the top more, and then you could move it up. SSD is a type of hard storage. Okay.
It's a something storage. I don't know things.
Slay someone, sister. Slay the sister, mister.
I can't attack yet. I can't drag things around in my inventory yet. But I can walk around and enter new rooms infinitely. What a great game. This is a good game. So, currently, I'm optimizing...
Gone. Removed.
What?
Removed.
I
Wait,
closed...
do you have to say the X and Y coordinates of the stuff?
What? Save what? No, every time I boot it up, it resets.
Nah, but how does it know where to make it on the screen? Is it X and Y coordinates?
Oh yeah, there's like X and Y coordinates in the thing. Currently I'm making it... I'm the door looks a bit bad. Make it not move into it. I think it looks great. I just don't like the fact that there is like 2 frames of the player overlapping it.
Yeah.
So I'm quote unquote optimizing it
This is the size of
so
the
that
ball.
instead of in the room load...
What?
Oh, that's what you were saying? I don't know how to fix that.
Wait, what? Wait. Yeah, what was the 2 frames, and then I got distracted by
The
this.
2 frames of like the player over the top of the door frame. So instead of someone in like Discord I'm developing the game in said that probably hook into moving in before. Actually, what I'm about to do might fix it. I'm about to basically remove this function that only someone in the Discord suggested getting rid of. I don't have my own Discord server. I'm using the like host of the jams because he doesn't mind. I'm gonna get rid of this function.
Why?
That only runs when something exits the room.
What language is this?
Is GD script.
I thought different coding languages looked different.
It does look a bit different to other ones I've used. I'm gonna get rid of this.
Exactly the same.
I'm gonna get rid of this one, and I'm going to replace it by one in the player script that runs every frame.
Oh, right, a child of Python. Okay, that makes sense, because I have only worked in Python, because that's what we use for school.
Who doesn't have their own Discord?
Everyone has their own Discord server. Dude, my friend group has like 7.
People that use Gilded.
My friend group has like 7 Discord servers.
I have my own Discord server. I have a few actually,
4,
but like
5.
the original one I don't even use.
No, we actually do have 7. I thought that was an exaggeration, but it wasn't.
So, process delta. So every frame, or like faster, I don't know. Every game tick, I want to check if the player is outside the room. How do I do that? If position is... I don't even know what is means. But like, maybe I could make it not. Can I do a range? vector, not vector, vector 2, and then this is 3264.
Wait, is it GD script because it's Godot? Or I don't
Yeah.
know how to pronounce it.
4880.
Wait, you can look at that?
Yeah.
Damn, that's kind of crazy.
4880 and vector 2 256 224 256 244. Was it? I don't know. Save all scenes. It's 224 actually.
Yeah. Oh, they're still playing D&D. The D&D group that I play with have been playing D&D since like 12
Wait.
p.m. They've been playing for almost 10 hours.
Damn. So. Oh, what? Oh, that's errors based on, yeah. Wait a second. If I'm doing the, like, room loading in the player, which is a bit weird and I probably shouldn't do that, then I don't need the room loader, like, at all. But if that happens, then take all this copy it across into here, change some variables. Oh, position is vector 2, which doesn't work. Not equals. There is. The game broke.
Wait, what's wrong with it today?
If I just bring out the start room here, play a script.
Get child.
Get node. Get node isn't real.
Bracket the end.
Should autocomplete, but this is.
Wait, it auto-completes?
Yeah, I can hit tab to autocomplete. Why is this not working?
That would mess me up. I'm moving those.
Why is that? There's 2 of them now. Are you happy?
What?
I am reading the error.
Wait, what does the error say? Pass error. That expected at the end of the line.
Oh no, these are old.
What?
This is the error here.
26.5. What's the 5 mean?
Um, here, the start. You have an extra. Oh, all right.
Yeah. Yeah, but that should be fine. That looks fine to me.
It is fine.
Yeah, whoa. Lower your voice. You want to deposit the whole $2? Yo, lower your voice. Every time someone says, wait, run it again. Run it through the output again. I don't know how to do that on this.
I don't know how it did that either. Probably like save all scenes.
Wouldn't that?
Yeah.
Wouldn't you just be able to do Control S? Use. Isn't. Yeah, it would be in GD script. It'd be GD scripting.
Yeah, thing is.
Wait, wouldn't it be. Wait, not equals equals? Wouldn't it just be not equals?
No, because equals is defining. Equal to equals is.
Oh, yeah, because if it's not equal to, right.
But like.
Would that still work?
If not.
If it's a child?
If this is correct, which it seems to be.
Wait, it says it isn't proper.
Then. Mix the leaf or copy. What is. How do I, like, check if a position.
Oh, that was purple. I thought that was moonworm for some reason. Sorry. Hi, Mix the Leaf.
How do I check if position is inside a rectangle? Inside this. In? What's in?
That's.
There's a rect
Right.
2, but position can't be equal to rect 2
No,
because it's a vector 2.
To rect 2.
It needs to be inside the rect 2. And how do I check for that?
If it's, well, is rect 2 an area or a border?
It's I guess, rect 2 has a check for a vector 2 in. How? I don't know how to do this. Also, we are doing.
I don't speak this language, sir. I speak Python, a bit of Python, which is similar. Guys, you guys also do code. Do you speak the coding languages?
You don't speak the coding language. You know
Would
the
you say
coding.
you speak the language?
If I put. Yeah, already. I haven't even defined the rect 2. It's invalid operand types. Rect 2.
Just copy and paste it.
Oh, yeah. If rect 2 has point.
Huh?
Position.
Oh, if vector 2.
Has what?
If vector 2 pos x pos y.
Has point. Would that be like inside the thing? It doesn't matter. I can just put in position. Because that's what I'm checking for.
Yeah, I guess.
Pos x.
I'm not just saying stuff, by the way. I'm actually understanding this.
Pos x is like the top. Would that be the top left corner? And so that'd be. Oh, and that's, yeah. That is 4880. Leftmost, top left. Right? Standard. It's 4880 in player. 80, and then bound X and bound Y are like width. Yeah, rec2 stream and homework at the same time. Fair enough.
Yeah.
Bound X and bound Y, those would be like the width and height, right? You can always check. So how much is this? Nowhere will tell me. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 tiles times 16.
Does that look?
Oh, that is
like an
incredible.
I think the hand looks up.
13 times 16.
I'll do another sketch later.
What's where is it? Do I have a calculator? What?
Oops.
Here we go. 13. Oh. 13 times 16. 208. 208. And then it would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 times 16, 144. Has point position, then move yourself over the. Wait, if not this, if you exit the room, need this. Yep. Identify a room isn't a thing. Yeah, we need to. Get room. We don't want that as a child, though. We want that.
As a.
We want that at the bottom, though, or the
Yes.
top. We want that under everything else. Save all scenes. Let's test it right now, though. Wait, do I still have... Oh, what happened? I tried to close it and it broke.
No.
Oh, yeah. Okay, so... Also, I need to get node. Where is it? Get root node. Root. No, not tool. Root slash node 2D slash. Wait, no, that won't work. Because I call it current room dot Q3. Kill it. I rename this to current room, then
That looks way more realistic.
instance.
That looks way more realistic.
Well,
I'm gonna make it
name
less broken.
equals
But I think that looks better though.
current room. Right. Save all scenes.
I'll just make it less.
I'll figure out the sword later. Whoa! Oh, I see. This is still trying to run. I should straight up just delete that at this point.
Absolutely, yeah, I agree.
At this point. Where is it? Where is it? Delete nodes. And its children. And delete
That looks
the
manky.
script. Isn't it zero-based indexing? Yes. That was the old code. Back when I used Room Loader. I don't need it anymore. It's all handled by the player now. And I don't need it. Alright. Let's see now. Wonderful. It doesn't work. And now we're...
Oh.
Oh, that's... I know what that is. That's it trying to delete something that doesn't exist. It didn't load the room, so when it tried to delete it, because I exited the boundaries of the room, it found nothing and tried to delete nothing. And you can't delete nothing, can you? Yeah. Node not found. So, why is it not loading the room? Why is this not working? Also, this I need to... save. I can close this one. Get tree add child? Why do I need to add it as a child? I don't want it to be a child.
Well, I've got to wait a couple years then. At least.
I don't want to add it as a child of the player because it's not a part of the player. It doesn't... Things don't exist without a child? Do you mean things don't exist without a parent? You can add it to a child of tree. Can I add it? Yeah, things can't exist without a parent. And yeah, I was just about to say, can't I add it? Get root? No.
Wait, hold on.
get node. Root. Oh, I need to. Node 2D. And then. Boop. Dot add child. Our instance. The room. So we press play, that saves everything. And go past here. We exit the room. New room! Game functions! Oh! Why did that break? Why did the second one break? The second one broke. What happened? It didn't work. It didn't rename. Why did it not rename? Cause it should be getting the it should be finding the current room no matter what it is if its name is current room. True is second argument is what? Second? What's second? Legible unique name. But that's a boolean. Okay, I'll set it as true. First room works. Second room breaks. Okay, what happened there? Again, didn't find current room. Keeps the name you give it. Well, something went wrong there. Add the room object to a field of auto load. What do you mean by that? A field of auto load. Do you mean like add it to a like blank node as a child? And just look for it there? Oh! I have an idea. That's exactly what I'm going to do, in fact. Just give me a node 2D, blank one. Call it like something like room container, and put the current room in the room container. Then get room, get node, room container dot get child 0 dot q3. Kill the first child of room container, which should be current room.
Okay, let's test it.
Then
Fingers crossed.
Then add it as a child of room container. And it doesn't really matter what its name is.
Test it. Okay, let's go.
First room works. Second room Functions!
Yes!
We did it!
Ah!
Ow.
Okay. Does that look a little more natural?
Well, that's good, yeah.
Okay, and it also looks more natural if you remove the skeleton as well, because now that looks more like a hand and less like what is going on there.
Okay. So, what do we want to do next?
Third room. Oh, the mini map as well.
Minimap is probably a good idea. Like, not always being up here is probably a good idea. Saving previous rooms is probably a good idea as well. Because
we got a lot to go.
yeah, I still don't know why I can't drag around items here. That's supposed to be something I can do, but I can't. Oh, I tapped the mic. Oh, that went into the red. Oh no. Sorry for your ears, guys.
Sorry, guys.
We need a lot of things, like attacking, showing range, items adjusting range, and attack, and a lot of things. We need so many things. I don't even know if the health bars are working. I need the null health bar and mana bar as well. There are so many things we need. What do we think is the, like, next step? We have new rooms. It's probably a good idea to, like, match doors next. So right now, if you're not in the room, you immediately get put just at the top. We need to make it procedural floor generation. Not right now. That is something for later. That is something for later. Let's make the doors work like doors first. So currently it's... how are we going to do this? Because... is the teleport instant currently? Yes. Is there ever a single fraction of a second where we are in this tile and not this tile? Because if there is even a fraction of a second where the position is on that, like, on the door tile, then we can, like, detect, do a bunch of ifs. But it doesn't look like there is ever a millisecond. It's instant. Okay. Oh, because process. Wait a second. If we're detecting that, it's gonna be before... It's gonna be before we teleport. It's gonna be before we teleport the guy. I'm stupid. But, like, how do we, like, efficiently put this... Because, like, a bunch of if an if with a bunch of else if. I think that looks sloppy. Is there like an equivalent? Not equivalent. Is there a better way to do that? Or is it just if and a bunch of else ifs?
Else.
What?
Else.
Else if. It.
You have to do them separately.
Well, it's not. What's this? I keep hearing about switch statements. But what is that? I don't. Do you know what that is? A switch statement?
Search it. Let's look. Yeah. What is it? Executes a block of code depending on different cases. Conditional statements. Apparently, according to w3schools.com.
Oh yeah, they're trustworthy. That's what I use. That's what I use to learn how to code websites. Switch.
Oh, that's so much.
That's not a thing. If it is, if
Yeah, we want it
into
right
the
here first,
input block,
I think. Yep.
the process if into the input block? What do you mean? Put this into the input block instead of process. Do you like in unhandled input? Would that be better? Let's do the like door match statement. No, that's math. Match what? How to match expression patterns, block what? Match position. Match position. The direction you're going? I guess, but like, I don't know how to work the raycast. If you don't know how to use switch, just use else ifs. But then Thor will laugh at me. In fact, I heard him like talking about how like Toby Fox had like a chain of else ifs in it's like somewhere in Undertale instead of a switch statement, and he's like, yeah, everywhere everyone starts somewhere, but like it's, everyone will hate people who use more than one else if. Like, I don't know how this works. No.
Not me.
Match position. If I put vector 2, oh, wrong button. Vector 2. I don't know what position it needs to be. And yeah, leaf. I could check the direction I'm going in, but like I don't know how to work the raycast, and that's the only thing rotating when you go a different direction. It's just a rule. Vector true. if your position is... let's start with the, like, bottom one. 144224. Then this, right? Is that how that works? If it's... Okay, I know how this functions now. I know how this works. I've gotten the hang of it already.
What is it? How do you...
If it's 32... Yeah, 32144. 144? Really? Huh. I guess... yeah, 144144 is the middle of the room. Yeah, that's how it works?
That's got a 12.
Wonderful. I gotten the hang of it. Thor will not laugh at me. 32144.
How do I exit it?
32144. Then put the position at vector 2. It does. Vector 2 at... Put it at 240,144. 240,144. If it is at... If the position is at... Oh, 240... No, not 240. It would be 256,144. Put the position at... it would be... What? 48,144? I'm going to test this. Alright. Grab sword that doesn't work. Exit. That functions. Okay. If I go out that way, it goes to the top. If I go out this way, it goes to the left. And go back out. Woo!
Let's go!
But here's the question. Wow, I forgot to program in that. Check this out. Forgot to program in that one. So I just make a new one. If it's
Just got a flashback to a random unrelated dream I had one time.
If it's... Where is this? 144...
Church.
No, it's... If it's at 64,144. You're going now, bye? No, please.
Oh, see ya.
Follow, at least follow
At
first.
least follow us, Leaf.
I'll be
follow
doing...
you. I'm not. This isn't a part of the channel. Also, screen left is over the talk show.
Oh, what? Oops.
The entire time.
The entire
The
time.
entire time.
There we go. Why not make your own class for positioning that will extend vector 2 so it will actually be gridded? I don't need to do that. I can just use the normal ones because vector 2s have this cool property. If ever the a vector 2 is not guaranteed to be on the grid, I can do snapped to vector 2 16 16, and it will automatically snap it to the existing 16 by 16 grid. It is brilliant. And I will, yeah, vector 2, it is infected, vector 2, I'm going up, so it will be 208144, no, 144208. And let's try that. Yay! Check this out.
That's trippy.
Functioning! Okay, okay. Oh, Leaf is already gone. Okay, so I do want to figure out what's going on with the inventory system. You're supposed to be able to like drag stuff around, but it doesn't work like that for some reason. Let's close this. Actually, we should. Leaf said to put this in move, I think, or unhandled input. Let's try this. Still functions, still functions, still functions, still functions. Okay, that's probably way less resource intensive than running it every frame. Alright, let's take a look at this inventory system. Here it is. Here's the inventory slot, which is being run in interface on the inventory display slot object. Here is the inventory as it exists currently. It is a 9x9 grid. Currently, that's all there is. I'll get to this, the equipment slots, later, because they seem like a pain. Here is our inventory object. It is a custom resource that holds an array of size 9 that can hold these custom item resource objects. Currently I've got a God Slayer, an apple, and an Old Forgotten, which is like the default sword. This is the script. You got display item, T you should use TSCN? No, because they're not scenes. They're objects. They're resources. See? I can plug in I can plug in a texture, name, and all these other stuff. But they're not scenes. Like the floor sword. They're not objects in the scene. They're resources. So back to inventory slot. We got this function to load an item. This is working fine. We have a function for getting the drag data. I'm pretty sure this is... Wait, let me test something. If these are supposed to be built in, don't built-in ones always have an underscore? That changed nothing. I don't even know why. Okay. So, save all scenes. This function is getting the drag data. It's getting the item index, which is... It's getting the item index of the current, like, the current item using... Wait. Where? Is it in here? Oh no. That might be important. Why isn't that throwing an error? Where is... What? Get index. Oh, it's get index. That's like... a default one. I thought it was get item. So, it loads up the inventory resource from the file and puts it in inventory. This loads up the texture, which goes to here, because each of these slots is actually a scene that has a texture rectangle. Anyway, we get the index. For get dragged at it, we get the index, put it in here. We remove the item at that spot in the inventory, and we return what item it was and put it into here. If that item is an item is of type item resource, we create a variable called data. We put it in curly brackets. I don't know what that means. but I followed a tutorial for that.
Wait, I
For
just
this
realised
whole-
that whoever drew this image doesn't know how to draw hands because I have half of it covered up there, and the other the other half is covered up by the text, and the other hand is hidden behind the head. I just realised that I shouldn't be using this drawing as a valid reference because I can't draw hands either.
Data dot item is the item that's
I will use this
here,
cursor, this random cursor.
and the item index is the item, is the place where that is, or was. Then we create. You surely hear. Are you having trouble hearing or having trouble understanding? Because if you're having trouble hearing, that's on your end, I think.
No, it might be ours. It might be on our end. Both. Okay.
Both?
Surely here.
Okay, so I've been explaining it, but like, mic is very low overall. It's only -9 decibels. Well, it's not -9. It's needed to double.
Gains 9 less decibels as Audacity. There we go. Got it.
We reduced it by 9 decibels. It's not that much. That was on your end.
Just
So
smashing this guy's hand to the post.
we load the inventory file and put it in inventory. When we get drag data,
I've broken this guy's wrist.
we get the index,
I think it's funny.
the place in the inventory that we're dragging, and we put it in here. Add co-op? No. No multiplayer at all. Sorry. Not happening. No.
At this point in time.
No. Probably not at all. Like,
Am I drawing on the hand layer? I am, but it doesn't matter.
how would that even work? This is going to be like turn-based. You probably can make items be dragged along position of cursor when selected. Yeah, I think that's what this is doing. I think. I followed a tutorial when I made this code, and this is all that they wrote. You got if the item that we're dragging around is an item, we get this data variable. We put the item in it, we put where it used to be in it, we make a drag preview, which is a texture rectangle that we give the texture of the item that we're dragging around. We use set drag preview to set that as the thing we're holding. And we return data. Wait. If I... Oh no. can drop data? I don't understand this. We return data if it's a dictionary and it has item? If it has an item in it and it's a dictionary, then we return it, I think. I don't know. Then drop data when we drop it, I think. We input data where this isn't being applied to an item. So we get the place in the inventory that it's being dropped. And we put it in here. Right? We get we look up what item is in that slot in the inventory. We then swap the items using the index here and data item index. And then we set the item in that index, in that slot, to this. What do we need this for then? Why do we need that? I don't under... What? Do you know what's going on? Do you know what's making it so I can't drag it around? Because I thought that this is all I need. I'm gonna grab an egg. A chocolate egg.
That's hard boiled.
No idea. It's written poorly from that. I didn't write it. I mean, I did write it. But, like, it's practically copied word for word from a tutorial video. Except mine doesn't function. And I have no idea why.
Because you wrote it word for word and it's angry at you. They get angry at us for being too loud, but I can actually hear the TV.
If you, by the way, if you want an egg, you can help yourself.
Say less.
I can just refill the bowl.
Oh yeah, good point. That I moved it over there because I thought you wouldn't want me eating any.
If you have no idea what this code is about... Wait, Flip, I should advertise my stream on thing. Added your channel to auto broadcast on mine. Oh, that's pretty cool. I'm gonna advertise...
Ooh.
Oh, what's this? Oh, Chucky. Oh, there's a special stone sword now. Thanks, Chucky. I have to make a texture for that.
Oh my god, hold on. If I fix this right here, Hopefully that's not on the same layer. Yes! I'm great at this. Is Moving Worm still in chat?
Okay. So maybe we'll get people in here that like know things, but possibly not.
It looks bonkers.
I have no idea what's going on here. What else do we need to do? Also, same system. The sword disappears, but I don't get a sword. And I don't know what the deal is with that.
The gremlins ate it.
What?
You heard what I said? And I only speak the truth, so I must be right. Okay, that is looking fabulous! Ah!
Maybe you should highlight. Yeah, I'm probably, yeah. Here we go. It's under tile set. Make the sword light grey.
I'm dying. That is. Yeah. That looks. Does that not look good?
That looks great.
I need to give the.
It's better than anything I could do.
I need to draw like the knuckles on them, and then I'll be great. And then do like the lines. What is? Hold on. I need the top. I need the layer on the top of this. What is? This is definitely how arms work. Anyone who's ever seen an arm can confirm that they do bend like this. That is very natural.
By the way, there's only one pick-upable. And it's this sword.
As you guys know, bones are fake. They're a scam made up by the government so they can tax you more money. Don't question that entire sentence at all. It's true, because I only speak fact.
What about that web actually being a gameplay thing?
It better be. It better be.
No, I'm not doing it.
Why?
Because I fear that people will find it annoying. Also, while I'm changing this
fear
anyway...
is a symbol. Fear. Do not be afraid of fear.
There we go. I've been wanting to do that for so long.
What?
I got rid of like 1 pixel on the pots.
That 1 pixel that's got beef with you?
Necro tile set.
Make sure that I'm not using bright red for this.
Wait. I also want to do... If I move this down...
Why does it look good from this angle, but from the
Is there a
angle
palette I'm restricted to? I don't have to be restricted to it, but I am using the RGBI palette I have over there. Yeah, I'm just doing some Great Hall table sprites. There we go. Tile set. Save it in here. Get rid of the background. Do transparent. And put that in there also. 2D images. Necro tile set. In there, right? Yeah. Wait. Nope. Overwrite. Oh, I need to tile set import filter off. There we go. My stream doesn't appear in the category I stream in. That's a bit weird. I need to make sure. Yeah, but it's not gonna be, is it? Oh, the pit? Yeah! Whole plate. Oh, nice. What? You went, eh.
Oh, not like a bad F, like a good F.
What?
I don't think I made an eh noise, but I don't remember.
Alright. Okay. So.
Now I've done a line art for one arm. Now it's time to do the
Check.
rest of the body.
Okay. I want a lot of things, but like, what should we do next? I think attacking might be good to do. How many viewers do I have? I wonder. 2.
Is Moonworm
Add
still here?
weapons to be working.
Is Moonworm still here?
No.
Okay.
I would do make weapons work, but for that I need a second. Yeah, that's true. Probably true. Add weapons. Adding weapons requires the inventory system to work first, and since neither you nor I can get it working, it's probably best to do that another time. You know, when someone can help us with that. But like, we don't need items to get attacks working. Make inventory work first. It's not as simple as it sounds. You saw the code. Do you know why it isn't functioning? If you know why it isn't functioning, tell me.
Please.
If you don't, stop complaining. Destroy the alien code, make your own.
Which one's the alien code?
The like tutorial code. Yeah, Copy, that'll work if you like can give me even a hint at how I would make my own if I had to use a tutorial to make this. If I don't know how the tutorial code functions, how am I supposed to make my own version of it? For items be draggable, you need an object that would follow the mouse position. I mean, isn't that what this is for? Isn't that what this is for? Like all of this stuff. I can only assume that get drag data. That code, I don't think that code you have does anything at all. I can only assume that this, and this are all like inbuilt functions that I am just adding code to. You know? Because this is a thing. This is a function of... This is an inbuilt function here. And it worked fine for the tutorial person. Maybe they removed it.
They just removed it and didn't tell you?
Like... Maybe Godot removed those functions, is what I'm saying. You probably just should make your own code. This is what I'm saying, Copy. Those are not in Godot functions. But like, Copy, this is what I'm saying. If I don't understand how this works, how am I supposed to make my own version of it? Like, so So, if sounds and is probably easier to do, make an object at extra with with the texture, following mouse, have a thing on click, change items. So when do we run this? When do we run this function? Is it like on click? Because that's... I don't remember when... I think I used that before and... oh. Yeah, that didn't work out last time. I tried to do on click. What? You don't even know what that code even does there? What code? I have a lot of code.
You'd better hope so.
This is updating the inventory display. This is working fine. This is giving, like, letting you set items, swap items, and remove items. You probably should check more guides until it works. That sounds like a lot of time.
Well, time that we don't have.
We don't have a lot of time. We have... What's the day? It's Wednesday because podcast. And we have until that time. I sent maybe add enemies or attacking first then? That's what I'm saying. We should add attacking
so
first.
aggressive.
Literally said that already. We should add attacking. Without enemies, what's the point of attacking? Making sure attacking works. We need to make the attacking first. Because the enemies are going to be real hard. Well, not like difficult, not hard as in like hard to beat, but like hard as in hard to code.
Yeah.
Like, I need to make an entire... And when I start adding the enemies, I have to start making the game turn-based. Because currently, you can just... Currently, you can just move around as much as you like. As soon as we start adding an enemy, then we have to make it say I, and we have to start making... Well, not like...
not like a Siri AI, but like we have to make the whole thing for it as yucky.
We don't need to make it, like, learn. That would be horrid.
No thanks. Let's
I have
not
a lot
do
of stuff
that.
to do.
Let's not make it learn.
Yeah, that'd be a pain. Probably start
Not
from
just a
refactoring the code to the point you understand it fully. So you're saying I should make the inventory system work? No, you're saying
It's completely
I should
transparent.
rewrite all the code that I didn't, like, copy, that I copied from a tutorial. And frankly, I don't see the need. I just need to rewrite the stuff that doesn't work. The stuff that doesn't function.
Yeah, we should be there. Everything else is... So bring this down.
Let's get attacking in. Right? So, we're probably going to do it in the cursor object, right?
Hey, you know how the I don't know if it was the TikTok one or the Instagram one, but you know how one of the text to speeches on those apps pronounces line art as linear?
No.
Well, that's an interesting topic for next week's podcast. We should get the Moonbase Alpha to say things. Oh my god, we should use the Moonbase Alpha text to speech in Talkloids. That would be funny. Then we need to give him a personality.
Someone's already made the Moonbase Alpha voice into an Utao. That's how that one person made the lag train cover with it. It bops.
I know.
Okay, so funk. Is there an on click? No, there is input event.
Okay, let's add some reference variants.
Okay, how do I do this?
Not just the ones that I liked, but ones that I actually want to use.
Do the check of click in the process? But wouldn't it be like more efficient to not like put as little things as in process as possible, because that runs every frame? You wouldn't notice anything at all. Yeah, but what if we did? Class name, not the parameter. The thing is, there is no input. That's also like a class name. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna search it up. That was a bug I encountered earlier. Param you have event. Oh. What? Event. What? The stuff in? Yeah, I get the. You're referring to event here. But, like, what do you want me to do with it? Like, if event dot in is action pressed, action type is pressed, what? There's no in. I probably can, but I don't know, like, how. Last time I tried, it didn't work. It broke every time you clicked. What you do is pressed. Is pressed. Well, is pressed what? Can we, like, no. That's just, Well, how do we tell what button is pressed? If event is input event, mouse button, then wait a second. Can't we? Where's the player? Player is. Oh, if. Wait, we could use this. If event is. Where is this cursor? If event is action pressed. UI click, because I made one. Well, that one uses actions, making an action for clicking. I made one because, like, go into input map, UI click. It's the left click. I thought, like, I had to do it like that. I realize now I don't, but, like, wouldn't it still be easier to do this in one if statement and not, like, two? So if this happens, then we attack here. But how do we attack? How do we program the attack? We don't need to worry about if there's an enemy. Hello. A simple walk. First time chatting. Follow if you haven't already. And I know you haven't. Day's going great though. What? Yes, pressure. I've actually been saying yes, pressure after follow if you haven't already. Hello. Day's going great, even though it's almost over. Make an instance of a a scene of an attack that will have an area 2D with on collision with enemy. That is a good idea. Like, I tried that last time, but, like, I did it in a weird way and it broke. Just got back from a game of D&D. Sounds like fun. I haven't played much D&D. I played, like...
Wait! Remember how I said a couple hours ago that my D&D group still playing D&D?
Imagine having friends to play D&D.
Wait, I want to know if it's
Agreed.
still going. Okay, I was...
I don't have friends that play D&D.
Wait. Okay, there's...
Yeah, they still
Generate
playing
and unquestionable. They are, but not everyone is in there. Like, absolutely, Jason is gone. I don't know if your mum plays. The names on this are mad. They're great.
Okay.
Half the people's profile pictures are the same photo of this one guy in the group.
So, what do we want? Do we want like a sprite?
I dropped by while waiting for friends earlier at the Woolworths.
Club D&D, not friend D&D.
Yeah.
Let's see.
And I dropped in for a second, not realizing they were playing D&D, and they were like, "Oh, like,
How about a
oh,
rigid
is
body?
back." They're just lurking.
Oh, what? No, what? Rigid body. Okay, rename to melee attack. Short expectation. Okay, yeah, this is like, it doesn't have a shape. Let's give it a collision. A rigid body has physics. Yeah, probably, yeah. Use static body. Yeah, static body. Melee attack. Give this a rectangle shape. There we go. And also give it a sprite, which will consist of
That's
was
perfectly proportionate.
melee /1.
Dragon, what is this that I do?
No.
It's perfect.
There we go. We have a melee attack. I don't really do much coding, but I have a few memes and enjoy watching the progress. Fair enough. Save scene. Melee attack. Right, we have a melee attack. More of a C# fan, yeah. I have used C#, but only in one instance, and that was to make an inscription mod, and it didn't go so well. Ended up finding an error. Nobody knew what was...
And nobody was helping you.
Yeah, nobody knew what the error was. Like, why the error was occurring. So I ended up, like, giving up. Because, like, I don't know what the error is. The community doesn't know what the error is. At that
Like,
point, what do you do?
The universe doesn't know what the error is. Like, at this point, nobody knows.
All I know how to do is shoddy text boxes and VBS script. I have no idea what VBS is. So, C# is very easy to use.
I think. .vbs, because it's got a dot there.
Yeah. It has a cool looking syntax. Okay.
Visual Basic. Yeah.
Visual Basics. Yeah.
I have only ever learnt Python and a bit of Java, I think, that I don't remember.
Yeah, Visual Basic script. Yeah.
But yeah, I mainly speak Python.
You don't speak a coding language.
I absolutely do.
Oh
I will one day. I will just...
Java's like C# but worse. And JavaScript is worse than that.
Yes. It just
That-
goes downhill.
I know JavaScript, a bit of C#, a bit of GD script.
God, it looks fabulous.
Oh yes.
The proportions are a little off, I think.
Okay, we gotta like. We have this.
These legs have been bothering me.
Thing is. Okay, we need to var melee attack equals preload melee attack. MA. If they speak Python, I just do the equivalent to a newborn. Instance equals. Oh, this is. We need to var this equals.
I feel like we're about to get something.
Melee attack dot instance. Like, currently, I'm not worried about like doing rolls a d8 for self-inflicted vicious mockery. I'm guessing you understand that.
Yeah.
I don't.
Well, the two! You were the one close enough! Close enough!
Yeah, I haven't played D&D for a while, and even then, it was like homebrew.
Yeah, you had basically an OP spell. It wasn't a spell, it was a cantrip, that's why it was so OP.
Oh, that bit space D&D.
I don't like that. I did hear, I was talking about it with my friend, who's the DM for our campaign, and he's like, oh no, that's a real spell, and I'm like, that is too OP.
Eldritch Blast is real, and it can hurt you.
It cannot hurt me.
But it can hurt your feelings.
Thanks for the follow, a simple walk.
Hi, follow. I didn't see that. I need to
You just missed it.
Nice.
You turned around and the gift was like sprinting away from you.
But yeah, Eldritch Blast is real, but like, I'm gonna watch you stream and make a tile-based game too, because I recently had an idea for it. Glad to be an inspiration.
Yeah, I was thinking the same thing along those lines.
Yeah.
You got the brainwave. Well, it's derived from brainwave. Like, we're on the same brainwave.
Where did we... Yeah.
I don't know where that's derived from.
Okay, so R slash... No. It's...
Wait. Did you say R slash?
Yeah.
It's a new Reddit subreddit.
New subreddit. R slash instance. What is it about?
Wait.
Brainwave, more like drainwave. We said...
I said grainwave.
Grainwave, like the
snacks?
chip.
Yeah, but which is derived from brainwave.
Equals position. Get the position of the cursor. Not this cursor. not this one, but the one in game, the like thingamajig.
I'm gonna see
And-
if r/instance is real. It doesn't come up, but it might be.
Set its position to
It's
that.
loading.
Then we make its name. I don't think that. Snap it just in case.
Yeah.
Sure.
Is this all made of the same colors? Hey, what the? Oh, this is the rabbit.
Then put it.
I'm bonkers.
Yeah. Then we get node.
It's loading too long, so I'm gonna say it's not real.
We add it to the thing. Where should we add it though? Probably just to the node 2D and don't worry about it. I'll just copy this. We know it works. Add it to this. MA instance. And we don't need that.
That's actually more proportionally correct. I just made the hand a bit bigger.
Alright.
Because, you know, proportionally, the hand is about the size of your face. Like the hand.
Hey!
Oh, what are you placing?
Slash marks.
You're attacking the ground. What did the ground do?
Yeah, I'm attacking the ground.
That's so disrespectful. The ground did not.
I can even attack the ground outside of melee range.
Oh, I thought you were gonna say the ground outside of the room, and I was like, no, that's not good. You need to fix that. Oh, what are you doing? You need to fix that.
Make a delay and then so it dies, or yeah, I'll make it die. Friend of mine literally has a character that's named Stop. They literally based him seeing on Eldritch Blast. Oh boy.
Oh no! I hate that.
Oh. I can also attack the sword.
We need the OK sign, and the foreign is a good one to add as well.
It's insane. I'm attacking every tile on... Can I attack my health? I can attack my health. I can attack my mana and gold.
Oh no, you're you're attacking yourself.
This is hilarious. I can attack the attack, but like it isn't as funny because it just overlaps. Attack the apple. Yeah. Attack myself.
Oh no.
Attack the exit
The
button.
exit button.
Yeah.
No, it didn't work.
Okay. So let's make the attack die. Eventually. Like go away eventually. So what we're gonna do is how would we do this? Should we... Another one is a grong that runs up to the enemy, grapples them, casts jump, and jumps 75 feet into the air. And let's go. Yikes!
What?
This is
This is a timer. We've been streaming for 2 hours. I'm just saying. Timer, which will wait for time and then continue running the code.
is how much time is one though?
It's 1. I don't know what you mean by that.
Also, we want it to like fade out, not just disappear. That's 1 second.
It's actually just one.
We probably want it to like start fading immediately though. Animated, I suppose. I don't know how to do that though. I've actually tried this before and it broke the entire game when I tried
Damn,
that.
Godot can't handle a GIF.
I don't want to have to. There's an animated sprite. I don't want to have to like make a GIF of this though. And that way you can run a script when animation ends. Can I just multiple textures for animation? Frames. Animation in Godot itself. New sprite frames. They also challenge every dwarf in the respective town's tavern and challenges them to a drinking contest. Oh. Well. I haven't played as I said, I haven't played D&D in ages, and it was like extremely homebrew. Like, as in the DM barely knew what they were doing, and was pretty much making it up as they go along. Which is it was fun, but it probably wasn't as fun as it could have been if they were actually playing proper D&D. It was fun, but it wasn't D&D. Pretty much, yeah. Here's a cool thing we had though. Like there was a thing called like I think it was gold signs or something. Basically, like a special, like magical ability, or not ability, but like power. And I had one where I got one extra damage for anything, be it a weapon or a spell. I got +1 flat damage for every, I think it was 10 gold I had, or 100 gold. By the end of the campaign,
I remember you telling me this story.
by the end of the campaign, I had +11 damage from it. It's broken. What?
Eating that even when your mouth is closed. It's gross. Nothing against you. I'm not saying that it's a you problem. I'm just saying. No! The dot! There's a dot. I don't know where it is.
How broken would that same gold sign be in, like, a normal D&D campaign, do you think?
It'd be so bad. That'd be so OP. Like, no way you can do that.
Even now at level 1, I'd have a flat 14 damage. Oh, no. even at like... Actually, I can look it up. It's in my drive somewhere. You're gonna see my drive. Oh no. Not all my files.
Oh no, you can't release your files to the world. Oh my god, your profile picture is the exact same.
I'll look it up.
Oh.
Here's my character sheet. I made it in...
How much money do you have? Where is it?
It's 1 damage per 100 gold. And I ended up having plus 11 from it. Yeah, you're not
getting any information from the...
Yeah, most of it was like... Most of this is like normal D&D because I followed like a wiki on what happens when I level up. The other players I don't think did that though, and the DM certainly didn't enforce it because he had no idea what he was doing. If it's 100 gold, then I'd only have a +1. Yeah, it's a bit more balanced than per 10 gold is.
Per 10 gold would be bonkers.
If it was per 10 gold, I'd have plus 111 damage. Which... per 1
Per 1 gold.
That's just too much damage.
Now that's a lot of damage.
Yeah, that's just too much.
Okay.
Here's a fun fact.
I have the...
Per 1 copper, imagine that. Well, I have news for you.
Does the per 1 copper, does it translate into like 116 gold? Is that 1,016 gold?
That is 1,000...
Oh, 1,016 gold, would that like translate into copper pieces, or would that just be 0 copper pieces then?
I have 0 copper. I have 11 silver, 19 platinum, a whole bunch of gold, but no copper, and no electrum,
nice.
but I hear that's pretty rare.
Nice.
Whoa! 69.
I freaked myself out because I thought I'd missed the reset time, and then I remembered that I was going to play every day directly after they reset at around like 11ish whenever I get on. But instead of trying to get on before 11, because
So,
I always never get
depending
on.
on how that works, per 1 copper gives me no extra damage.
Yeah.
If you were to only count your collective wealth in copper, what damage bonus?
Oh, the entire wealth.
I have no idea.
I don't know the translations.
Me neither. But it'd probably kill anything the DM throwed at me. Instantly. I don't even have to roll.
You don't even have to roll. You don't even have to roll to hit with that. They wouldn't even make you roll to hit.
I mean...
Because you're gonna kill it. You would kill it.
Does Eldritch Blast have... Like...
Wait, what do you mean does it have? Like, does it have a roll to hit?
Yeah.
I think everything has a roll to hit.
Fair enough. But, yeah, back when... back in the day when I was playing this, I barely knew what I was doing either.
Yes! Yes! Finally!
I didn't know if...
After all these years to complete it.
I didn't know. I thought, oh, it's a spell.
Going
I don't
hysterical.
need to roll to hit. I just need to roll for the damage.
Oh, wait, legit. And your DM didn't know?
DM didn't know what he was doing, so he was just like, yeah,
Yeah.
it's a spell. It always
Yeah.
hits, right?
That's good enough.
How much do you have? Could you type it in chat? I don't know.
Yeah, we have no idea.
We don't know how much silver is equal to
Yeah, we don't know the
how much
conversion rates,
copper.
but-
We don't know the conversion rates. But it would probably kill literally anything in one hit.
That's a
It's just
scam.
so much.
I forgot that I was poor once upon a time. That's why.
You've got a converter here. I've got 9 at the end of
I just chuck them in the chat.
at the end of the campaign. I had 19 platinum.
You don't need that. Just go put PP.
No. 1,116
You're
gold.
being so loud about it.
And 11 silver.
Oh, you're red in there.
I have no idea how much copper that is equal to.
That's why
But
there's a
it-
converter.
Yeah. But it's probably going to
What's wrong
kill.
with just putting the shortened bit like PPGPSP? Also, what is EP?
Electrum.
That's stupid. That is a scam. What is Electrum? Is that real?
I think it's a real metal.
Oh, I thought I wasn't gonna get the rest of this set because I saw that it wasn't running.
Yeah, it's probably...
I thought it was a scam.
That'd probably be enough damage to kill anything in one hit. It's ridiculous.
I saw the unique sentences or whatever it is. I don't remember what it is. The things that like have only been written once, and it's like a Sour Patch Kid would kill a pilgrim instantly. Have you seen that? That's wacky. Okay, yeah, it says I have 3 days for the login gift. Why is it telling me that I had no days left? Oh, as long as I do this every day, as long as I seek the gifties, as long as I seek these guys every day, as long as I find them all and feed them 15 moose, I'll have the entire set.
How do I, like,
think
make
I
transparent? I don't know what I'm doing here. I'm just gonna put this back to a sprite.
I'm talking about something completely different to you, like,
Yeah.
just in the background. Not confusing in the slightest. Oh, there you are. Only people that I'd understand know the gibberish that I'm speaking.
It's been like 2 hours and 12 minutes. Do we want to stop
No.
here? No?
I want to wait for a simple walk to get how many copper it is.
Fair enough. We probably want to add a script to this. Because, like, eventually we need it to, like, attack. Actually do attack.
That's a lot of damage. That's a lot of damage. 7 to decompose. That's only 90 material.
A whopping 130,710 bonus damage. That
Oh my god!
is insane. That would definitely
bullshit.
kill literally anything in one hit.
You could play for the garages. You could kill gods with that.
Hey, I'd
You
find...
could win the Saint Seiya, like, the entire Saint Seiya, like, the entire storyline of that instantly.
All I need to do
Instantly.
is land the hit. Which
Yeah.
is something you need to do. I know now.
I feel like you'd have, like, a huge negative to try and counteract that.
It could just maybe
It
kill
could
a
just
flea.
maybe kill a flea. Yeah.
Almost.
Maybe. I'm not even sure if it would kill a flea. Like, honestly, spiders. Moonworm was telling me about how she saw a spider actually float.
Oh,
Like,
yikes.
float. That is bonkers.
Why are the spiders evolving?
It's
Go back.
nuts. Hey, funny story. Yesterday I was trying to catch the bus into town, and I saw it turn the corner to go up the street. And then, just like a second later, I turned around, turned back, and it was gone. I kid you not. I'm not joking.
What?
I could not make this up if I wanted to.
What the flip?
It was gone for several minutes. Not just, it feels like a minute. Like, time didn't stop or anything. I was checking my phone. It came back. I was just like, what the hell happened? I turned, I was, looking at cars coming down the hill. I turned back, and it had just, it just appeared. It didn't turn the corner again. It just appeared.
What the
On
flip?
the road, where it left off from, and just picked me up. And I had to get on and touch on with my Mikey. Nothing had happened. I hadn't witnessed, Manifest, the Netflix show, just come to life from my bus.
You have a huge damage bonus, but you have a...
No, I think it's only just hitting me how really bonkers that was.
You saw a bus enter a rift or something.
It lagged.
Lag doesn't do that though.
No.
Lag in games will keep the object where it is until it gets an updated location. The bus teleported is what it did.
It teleported away for a full multiple minutes and then teleported back like nothing happened. That what boggles my mind. Is there something wrong with me for entering on the bus? Should I have not entered the bus? Should I have said something to anyone on the bus? What if they were like, what do you mean it just
Can I post a software testing meme?
Absolutely. Sure. What if I said on the bus, hey, I just witnessed the bus disappear for a couple minutes, and they're like, what do you mean? We just went up the hill. What if I disappeared for a moment? What if I disappeared for a moment when I was on the bus, but I had no idea because I was on the bus? I'm freaking out, man. Oh, that's a whole ass YouTube link.
Man.
I don't recognize it, so I don't think it's a rickroll.
So also about this one, you have a insane damage bonus, but you have a -20 to rolls. So
Wait,
basically,
hold on a second.
I have a big damage bonus, but I can't use it.
Yeah, I was gonna. Hold on. Yeah, it took me a second.
Trying to implement a tile map in Unity right now.
Oh, you're using Unity? Oh, wait, you're still here?
Wait, you're using Unity.
What do you guys think of my bus story?
I have no idea.
Do you guys think of my bus story? Do you think I'm insane?
Let's look at this meme.
A software tester walks into a bar, runs into a bar, crawls into a bar, dances into a bar, flies into a bar, jumps into a bar, and orders a beer, 2 beers, 0 beers, 99,999,999 beers, a lizard in a beer glass, -1 beer, QWERTY up beers. Testing complete. A real customer walks into the bar and asks where the bathroom is. The bar goes up in flames.
Yeah, that's a good one. I've seen it before, but it's a good one.
I feel like these are new. I haven't seen these before.
Pants. They've been
No.
around for ages.
No, like the ability to customize these. I
Huh.
feel like that's new. I'll just buy one of these and I'll be good. Oh, that's cheap as. That's only $1,000. It costs 4,000 to craft something most times. Or not craft something. Wait, yeah, it can cost like up to like 8,000, I think, to craft something. From what I've gotten so far.
I think we want to do some. We want to function on ready, because that, if I remember correctly, ready is called as soon as it enters the scene. When this thing is spawned, or rather, when we make an instance of it and put it on the node 2D, then do all this stuff. Yeah, I can't help you with Unity, Kopi. I had trouble with Unity before. I have no idea how to use it. So, do we have an idea for a plot to the game? You're trying to like save the world or something by killing the king necromancer. Or something. I'm not good at plot. It's a roguelike. Does it need plot? Probably needs plot, but like not much. Okay, so you gotta change. What? It's not a. Oh, that's hilarious. Alright, like, yeah, the plot is probably important, but what's more important? Making a plot for a, like, game jam game? Or making the game function before the cutoff date? Kopi, I've got to disagree with you. I love making textures.
I love drawing.
Making textures is the best part of making a game, in my opinion.
I definitely can agree, because I have definitely been working on my texture pack for Minecraft in the past year. I don't remember the last time that I worked on. Wait, what do I mean? I definitely worked on it.
Function ready. We need to. When
Calm
it spawns,
down and get some sleep. We've been streaming for 2 hours and 23 minutes, and that may not be long, but that's long for a podcast. That's probably a record. Guys, pat yourselves on the back. That's probably a record.
That's the biggest podcast we ever did do.
Because the podcasts are, like, tiny. Oh, sorry, I'll unscrum.
Lich poison stuff, unite, go defend stuff and kill lich. What is a lich? Do you know what a lich is? We're gonna search it up.
Scarlet guy.
A lich is a type of undead creature. Various works of fantasy fiction. The Empire. No, I don't want the... I know what a lich looks like.
Oh, I didn't.
Had used...
Necromancer, but no.
What do you mean necromancer, but no? That doesn't help.
It basically looks like a skeleton wizard. To me.
A skeleton necromancer.
Does that...
Wait. Is a lich...
Absolutely a simple walk. No, but for the longest, the brilliant talk show podcast, that is definitely a Guinness World Record.
This episode gets the Guinness World Record for longest brilliant talk show episode.
Longest podcast. Length. Wait.
But that's going...
Oh my god! A 36-hour non-stop podcast.
Yeah, that's not happening.
Please.
No.
Pretty please.
I need sleep.
I'll continue the podcast while you're asleep. You can sleep there and we can listen to you just snoring in the background. Sleep talking about the murder. Which is a reference to one time I was at a camp with my friend, and one person in the group, like there was just a bunch of it.
I'll probably make it not tile-based
Yeah.
game. It's hard to use tiles.
Who
in
used-
Unity.
Who used the universe death and chuck their soul in a box?
I was
Okay.
going to say, a lich is a lich.
That's
A necromancer that necromancy it's
soul
himself.
in a box. Soul in a box.
Lich
I was
without
telling
the
a story.
T.
I was telling a story. We were all in a camp. There's like 8 of us in the room, I think. At least 6.
Mm.
And like one person stayed up like later than the rest of us. It's like a leech, but if you're dyslexic, that's great. And she was talking to me in the morning, like, did you know you talked in your sleep? And I'm like, no, I did not. And she was like, you were talking about normal things like good omens and vending the ink machine, and then you started talking about the murders, and I was like, I don't remember my dream, so I don't know what you're talking about. I'm sorry. I to this day I have no idea what she was talking about. So yeah, I sleep talk sometimes about the murders.
About
If anyone
the
knows what that means, please.
It's quite simple, really.
Is
You
it?
were sleep talking about the murders.
What murders? What murders? What murders? Freak me out, man. Alright.
We're out of time. We're out of time.
No, we're not. Can we do a 48-hour podcast?
No.
Please. 50
We're
hours!
out of
50
time.
hours! To plot the murders, but you have amnesia! Please help me! I don't remember the murders! Please help me!
We're out of time.
We're out of time. What are the actual lyrics?
You're out of touch. I'm out of time.
I'm out of my
Head
head
when you're not around.
We get copyright
Oh.
striked. Copyright strike.
They can't do that.
How much money to nope that? To nope what?
Nope, what?
Wait, to nope the song?
To give you more time. You can't.
Yeah, we're not affiliate.
We are not affiliate, and I don't. What's the
name
theme of the game jam?
theme of the game
You
jam?
only live once.
You only live once. Wow, YOLO.
Yeah, we're not affiliate, and I don't have any other place you can send money to. Though I should probably set that up.
You should.
Yeah, donation.
But we will be back again next week. Because
Yeah.
I have nothing to do with my life.
We'll hopefully. Can I post it to you?
Like to post money? I don't think you're allowed to do that.
I don't think that's legal.
A, I don't think that's legal. B, I don't trust them not to open the mail and steal the money. Honestly, I don't know why.
Send you 20 old.
Yo!
How did you know we're a... Wait.
I think... Wait, are you? Wait.
I put the tag.
Put that in there.
That might be it.
Nah. Yeah, I thought... I don't know, because for some reason I thought A Simple Walk was from Australia as well, for some reason.
Yeah.
Because you were saying that it would stay up, like, till 5, I think, if you were playing with your friends, like you're playing D&D with your friends, and I'm like, oh yeah. Checks out.
Is that what? Is that like an Australian thing?
No, it's just the time, like, it was like around, like, what, like 10, 11, it was 11ish, I think, but it's like, like, that's another 6 hours.
Brisbane, Queensland. Huh.
Who is the other human nerd talking with to you?
What?
Curse of Oinos. It's on the screen. You can't see it very well though.
Yeah, that's all we have time for. Plug your stuff.
I literally just said that I'm Curse of Oinos.
It's on the screen.
But it's on the screen, even though you can't see it. Get rid of the other monitor so you can see it better. Curse of Onions. Yes. Yeah, pretty much, yeah.
There it is.
Curse of Onions. I've had so many people mispronounce it. That's one of my favorite things.
Are you friends?
We're siblings.
Siblings.
I tried to make a video, a TikTok of that with you ages ago, and you refused to be in the video. You would like push me away with the camera. The best thing about this.
It isn't.
The best thing about this username is here following or like subscribing to
People
like new streamers that I have never interacted with in my life, and watching them struggle to pronounce my name.
Make like that. What?
I'm sorry, we don't understand that.
I was about to ask. You know what the flip that means?
I'm so sorry. I don't understand.
My name is DragonSlayer15001 on
That is your birth name. It is on the birth certificate.
Shut up! I am plugging my stuff. My name is DragonSlayer15001.
On that note.
My name is DragonSlayer15001 on other platforms. DragonSlayer official here. Follow me if you haven't already. Yes, pressure. Threat.
I mean we're from Australia, not Alabama, so. I'm stealing these.
Not all of them.
I'm just taking 3, man. We have chocolate eggs because of Easter.
The rest of the week until Saturday, I'll be streaming making Fortress Necro.
Yeah. Wait, tomorrow.
The whole rest of the week until Saturday.
Oh, right. For some reason I didn't hear you say that.
And yes, that means the bonus hour is being overridden.
What's 1 + 1?
It's
a
2.
Why? Why do you need it? Wait, why do you need it before you leave? I'm doing 3 math classes. You'd better hope I can figure that out. It's 11.
Oh my, what the flip?
Actually,
Then
I
on
take
s-
specialist math. It's actually 4.
So, the whole rest of the week until Saturday, I'll be streaming, making Fortress Necro. On Sunday, I'm going back to Amori because I wanna beat this game. It's a good game, really cool.
I think I'll probably start. Let's go 21.
In the meantime, bye.